welcome to The Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals. And I want to show you a really simple way of making garlic bread. So you never need to worry about having it in your house, having it in the freezer. You can make it yourself, and it is cheap, cheap, cheap. And this is the easiest way to do it. This is how we always do it. All you need is some bread. Now we've got wholemeal bread, but actually it works beautifully on white bread, but we just happen to have only had wholemeal in the house. Wholemeal in the house. I just use a medium, normal sandwich bread. That's all you need. You need some spreadable butter, and you need the key ingredient, which I got this from Costco quite a while ago, so you need to look out and see where you can get it. It is American, so I definitely got this in Costco, but I'm sure they've got it other places. So I'm going to bring it round and let you see. Can you see that? It always goes slightly off. There we go, hi. Okay, so it is called Johnny's Garlic Spread and Seasoning Mediterranean Garlic Paste. It's salt based, so it's got salt and all the flavourings in. And it's just like a dry powder, okay? So it's exactly like putting oregano or anything like that. Now, I was just explaining how to do a really simple pasta that lasts all week in the fridge. If you've got one of these, then this is a perfect accompaniment to it. If you're having a quick pasta dish and you want to have some garlic bread, or if you want to eke out a meal, you maybe don't quite have enough. So, you want to get your toaster. Really simple, put your toast in the toaster, bring it out while it's still hot. I get the kids to make it themselves, and I've got one of these lovely little toaster that they pull out, which you get these in Lakeland, and they've got a little magnet so they stick to the toaster. They are brilliant, because my kids, if they don't have this, they will stick a metal fork in that toaster, which has got disaster written all over it, so I recommend wooden tongs. Anyway, so you've got your toast. Now I'm going to put another 2 bits in, because I'm just about to feed my kids. So in it goes. And you just want to take your butter. I mean, this is so simple, honestly, but it makes amazing garlic bread, I can't tell you. And garlic bread, I always find, adds quite a lot of cost to something. And also, I live in the middle of nowhere, so if the kids ask for garlic bread, if I don't have it in the freezer, then it's a bit of a pain. Now, I do put quite a bit of butter on because I want to go right to the edges. If not, you're just eating dry bread. So all you do is you put your butter on your toast, and then very carefully, and this is where I watch the kids doing this, because this is very salty and it actually doesn't taste nice if you put too much on, but just sprinkle it over the top and then give it another spread over, so all the dry actually goes into the butter. If you wanted to, you could take a pack of butter, take it out in a bowl, add in your spread, add in your dry seasoning, mix it around, and then keep one of these labelled garlic butter. You could easily do that. But that, honestly, is an amazing taste, great cheap way to eat garlic bread, okay? With this, you can also, you can add it to mayonnaise and make a really nice and add some milk and make a really nice Caesar salad dressing cheaply. It lasts for years in your store cupboard. So whatever one you get, I'm not promoting any of these, but it's just, this is the one that I've used for years. So yeah, if you find one, then let me know how you get on. So very simple garlic bread that will save you a fortune and save you any hassle. Thanks for watching The Batch Lady. Take care. Bye.